Moving to the chapter. The chapter name is Matter in Our Surrounding. First of all, we will discuss what is matter. Matter is the constituent of particles present in our universe. It can be found in 5 states, which can be further classified in 2 types. The 5 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. The matter classified in 2 types according to their physical properties and their chemical properties. Now we will talk about characteristics of states of matter. In this class, we only have to study about the characteristics of 3 states, that is solid, liquid, and gases. First, we will talk about volume. Solid have definite volume, liquid too have definite volume, while gases have indefinite volume. The mass of solid is fixed and same applies for liquid and gases. The shape of solid is definite while liquid and gases acquire the shape of the container in which it is kept. The particles of solids are very closely packed while liquid have less closely packed particles than solid, and the gases have least closely packed particles. Therefore, the attraction between the particles of solid is very strong, while liquid have bigger attraction between the particles than solid, and the attraction between the particles of gases is negligible. The particles of solid and liquid are almost incompressible, that it can't be compressed, while the gases are highly compressible. The solid can't flow, while liquid and gases can flow. The solids have high density, while liquid have lower density than solid, and the density of gas is very low. The kinetic energy of particles in solid is least, while liquid particles have higher kinetic energy than solid. Gaseous particles have very high kinetic energy. The diffusion in solid is very slow, while liquid have fast diffusion than solid, and the gases have very fast diffusion. Now we will talk about change of states of matter. Change in state of matter is get affected by change in temperature and change in pressure. Matter exists in 3 states. In solid, it exists as ice, in liquid as water, and in gas as water vapor. Now we will talk about effect of change in temperature on particles. The energy supplied by heat overcomes the force of attraction between the particles. Let us take particles which are closely packed. When heat applies on it, it gets dissociated. Due to this supplied energy, solid changes into liquid state and liquid state changes into gaseous state. Let us look at the interconversion chart. Solid state changes into liquid state on heating, and the liquid state changes into gaseous state on heating, while gaseous state revert back into liquid state on cooling, and liquid state revert back into solid state on cooling. Increasing the temperature also increases the kinetic energy. Camphor can directly change into vapor by a process called sublimation. When a solid melts, its temperature remains the same because heat gets used up in changing the state by overcoming the force of attraction between the particles. Now we look at some important terms. First of all, we will look at melting point. Melting point is associated with solid. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called melting point. It is also known as fusion. Now we will look at the definition of boiling point. The temperature at which liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. It is a bulk phenomenon, means it occurs in the whole liquid. Now we will look at the definition of latent heat of fusion. Here it is fusion. It means it is associated with solid. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of a solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure is called latent heat of fusion. The heat energy required to convert 1 kilogram of liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is called latent heat of vaporization. Now we will study effect of change in pressure on particles. Applying pressure and reducing the temperature can liquefy the gases. Carbon dioxide gets converted directly into gaseous state on decreasing the temperature to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. It is also known as dry ice. Lowering the pressure also lowers the kinetic energy. Let us look at the conversion chart where solid, gas and liquid fuses and solidifies. Now we will study evaporation. The phenomenon of changes of liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. It is a surface phenomenon, means it occurs at the upper layer of the liquid, not in the whole layer. It also causes cooling effect. Now we will study the increase in rate of evaporation and its causes. The rate of increase in evaporation are caused by increase of surface area, increase of temperature, decrease in humidity, and increase in wind speed. At last, we will study about the fourth and the fifth states of matter, that is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. First, we will look at plasma. Plasma consists of super energetic particles. They are super excited, means they have a lot of energy in them. It is found in form of ionized gas. Fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Plasma was created in stars because of very high temperature. Now we will look at Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density. This particle is named after the Indian physicist Satyendranath Bose and Albert Einstein. Thank you. Do like, subscribe and comment.